Is it time to buy or sell NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares stock? In this video, we will explore NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. And we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of April 2025, our system has ranked NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.31. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 90.14% since we first recommended purchasing NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares 3 days ago. This results in an average return of 30.05% per day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. The stock has broken through a significant downward trend in the short term. Initially, a slower rate of decline is observed, which may indicate an early signal of a shift in trend. In reaction to this movement, support is expected at the ceiling of the current trend that has been breached, which is $0.375. A level that may present a second opportunity for a significant gain. According to fan theory, $2.43 may represent the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of negative 92.41% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 100% to negative 92.98%. In terms of a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 1.50%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 61.58% to 2,061.61% over the coming year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price somewhere between $0.156 and $8.75. Our latest daily update for NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares includes the headline, Volatile Ride for NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares stock price on Thursday, moving between 350 cents and 762 cents. The NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares stock price fell by 9.98% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, from 450 cents to 405 cents. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 117.80%, with a low of 350 cents and a high of 762 cents. The price has been quite unstable during this period, and there has been a 140.78% gain over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume declined on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should ideally correlate with stock price movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 78 million shares, with a total of 269 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $108,092,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $12.19, while the lowest price was 14 cents. Currently, the price is 96.68%, or $11.79, below the 52-week high of $12.19, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. NVNI Group Limited has just reported record financial results for the fiscal year 2024, achieving a revenue of 193,300,000 Brazilian reais, up 14.4% from 2023. The company also marked its first operating profit of 16,500,000 Brazilian reais, alongside a substantial improvement in adjusted EBITDA, which surged 30% to 57,400,000 Brazilian reais. Such robust financial performance is likely to drive investor confidence and could potentially boost the stock price in the short term as the market reacts positively to growth indicators. Additionally, NVNI's CEO, Pierre Sherman, will host an investor webinar on May 9th, promising further engagement with stakeholders. which could lead to increased interest from retail and institutional investors. However, the company recently received a non-compliance notice from Nasdaq concerning minimum bid price and market value requirements, which could pose risks to its stock stability if not addressed swiftly. In a promising move, NVNI has also entered a term sheet for acquiring the B2B SaaS platform Mundi, representing a strategic expansion effort in Latin America that may enhance its portfolio and revenue streams in the long run. This acquisition, part of a broader mergers and acquisitions strategy, suggests a commitment to growth that may positively influence long-term investor sentiment. Balancing these developments will be crucial for NVNI as it navigates compliance challenges while capitalizing on growth initiatives. The following signals have been identified for NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares. The stock of NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support levels can be found at 245 cents and 215 cents. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have been issued, and these may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 30th, 2025, resulting in a decline of nearly 10%. Further declines are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 2 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago, the relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 47 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 374 thousandths of a dollar. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased. A drop below this support could result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, characterized by high volatility. The wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that the stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 412 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a change of 117.8%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 58.24%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares, let's take a moment to review some crucial fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings, meaning it is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging phases, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares is at 450 cents. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares encounters its first support level at 374 cents. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.383, reflecting a decrease of 5.5%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares stock a good buy? NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares show several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this moment. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either hold their positions or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares will open higher by approximately 101 thousandths and commence trading at 506 thousandths. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.